Hello my friends, this is Atif and you're watching my channel where I'm posting the trading ideas on cryptocurrencies, forex, stocks and on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos, and do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In my previous video of Bitcoin US dollar, I shared this idea with you guys, and here you can see the price action of Bitcoin has formed a bullish butterfly pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. And after playing the idea, we can see the price action is still moving within the potential reversal zone, and so far it is above the 200 simple moving average and the 100 simple moving average support. I have also suggested in my previous video that we should wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish, and we should also wait for the stochastic to give bull cross, and then we should take the long position. Otherwise, if this PRZ or potential reversal zone area or this support of 200 MA and 100 moving average will be broken, then the price action can move far more down. In the meanwhile, the Bitcoin is giving us more chances to earn profits by forming different harmonic patterns on smaller time period charts. For example, this is a chart I have posted on 30th of September, and on this chart the price action formed a bullish shark pattern on 6-hour chart. And after playing this chart, you can see the price action took the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone and produced very good profit. After that, I have posted this chart on 4th of October, and this is 4-hour chart, and on this chart you can see after forming this bullish shark pattern, the price action took the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone and started the formation of next harmonic bat pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. And after playing this, you can see the price action took the bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone and hit the sell zone. Now this is my fresh Bitcoin chart which I have published 13 hours ago, and on this chart you can see only on 2-hour chart the Bitcoin has formed this bullish butterfly pattern, and the price action is entered in the potential reversal zone. It is even entering in the potential reversal zone. So far it has just hit the spike in the potential reversal zone. This potential reversal zone should be our stop loss point in case of complete candlestick closes below this potential reversal zone. The MACD is strong bearish, so we can wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish and for the stochastic to give the bull cross, and then we should enter in the trade or buy. The volume profile is showing very weak interest of the traders at this level within the potential reversal zone, so this is another strong indication that the price action will take the bullish divergence from this area. So this was my fresh chart and fresh analysis on Bitcoin on only 2-hour chart, and so far my previous 4-day chart is still valid. So this is a day trading Bitcoin chart, and if you want to do some a bit long-term trading on Bitcoin, then you can follow my previous 4-day chart. I'm also sharing the link of the Tradingview in the video's description. You just need to click on that link, and after when you will be on the tradingview.com, you just need to select the people option from this drop down list, and after selecting this people option, you just need to write my username moon333 and click on the link. Then you will be able to follow my charts from my link from my page. And if you don't have account on Binance Exchange, I am also sharing my referral link of Binance Exchange to create the account there, because that is the exchange which has the largest volume of every cryptocurrency. So I would suggest you to trade on Binance. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Till then, goodbye.